The Alicanto Grande Evora is all about space. I mean, it feels massive inside thanks to the 8-foot wide body and that twin axle chassis. If you're looking for a really luxurious caravan with all the benefits of an 8-foot wide body, the Alicanto Grande Evora could be for you. Now, this is a 4-berth caravan with a fixed transverse island bed, and it's based on a twin axle. Now, the lounge that I'm sat in at the moment, this also converts to a generous double bed, or you can use the single beds because they're 6 foot long. And talking of the day mode for the lounge, these corner units with the headrest allow you to sit right back again to give you a lot more comfort and also add to that very spacious feel. And that feeling of space continues into this L-shaped kitchen. The sink cover here obviously adds to your worktop space, and that flips over and gives you a separate chopping board, and next to that is a separate oven and grill and a dual fuel hob above. The splashback here houses your Alder control panel, because this obviously has Alder wet central heating, and above me is a fan that serves as an extractor fan to take fumes out, or you can reverse the fan to bring that cool air in. There's a microwave to my right, and over here across the corridor is a very large Dometic fridge. Moving on to the Evora's bedroom, in front of me is a 5-foot wide king size bed, and because it's an 8-foot wide caravan, it gives you that much more room at the foot of the bed. Now, there are 2 modes for this bed. It's in day mode at the moment, so the bed is pushed back to give you all of this space. Now, in nighttime mode, this bed just then simply pulls out and the mattress folds down to give you a bed that's 6'3" long. At the rear of the caravan is a super roomy washroom. Now, I was expecting it to be wide because, as I mentioned, this is an 8-foot wide caravan, but that twin axle chassis really allows that bit more room towards the length of the caravan, and it does make it incredibly roomy. The shower cubicle is a whopper, and also when you step out of the shower, there's plenty of room to get dressed. So in summary, the Alicanto Grande Evora is all about space. Now, that comes thanks to the 8-foot wide body and that twin axle chassis. So if you're looking for a caravan with a transverse island bed that can sleep up to 4 people, this is certainly worth a look.